When we travel, we often disconnect to a certain level. Most phone plans don't work abroad, and Wi-Fi isn't always great. However, most of the time, there's no desire to disconnect completely. For a short trip, packing your everyday electronics is no big deal, but travel can be rough on electronics, especially laptops. If you will be traveling frequently, or for more than a few days, it's worth the extra effort to do some research and choose the best travel laptop for you. There are many products available to choose from best travel laptop, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best travel laptop from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Acer Chromebook 14. When choosing a notebook or Chromebook, this Acer Chromebook 14 is definitely one of the best laptops for traveling. The 14 screen size is the perfect medium between the very small 11 and the standard 15. It's a very light laptop, making it ideal for putting in carry-on luggage. The 11-hour battery life, however, is what takes it from good to one of the best laptops for traveling. Other Chromebooks may have a similar battery life, but not at that price point. Acer Chromebook 14 CP3-431C5XK comes with these high-level specs. Intel Celeron N3060 dual-core processor 1.6 GHz with Intel Burst technology up to 2.48 GHz, Google Chrome operating system, 14 Full HD ComfyView widescreen IPS LED backlit display, Intel HD graphics, 4GB LPDDR3 SDRAM memory, 32GB internal storage, 802.11 Aqua-Fi featuring MIMO technology. Number 2. Samsung Chromebook 3. Built-in security features ensure you're protected from viruses and malware. No setup or long load times, simply log in with a Google account, and you're in. Navigate your world with Chrome OS. Get the best of Google, Gmail, Maps, Docs, and Pics, and back everything up safely in the cloud. And since your Chromebook gets free updates automatically, it will only get better. Built-in security features ensure you're protected from viruses and malware. No setup or long load times, simply log in with a Google account, and you're in. Navigate your world with Chrome OS. Get the best of Google, Gmail, Maps, Docs, and Pics, and back everything up safely in the cloud. And since your Chromebook gets free updates automatically, it will only get better. A battery that gets up to 11 hours on a single CHARGE1 means you can view the news over coffee in the morning, check emails at lunch, then surf social media after dinner, all without having to recharge. Number 3. Microsoft Surface Pro. The Microsoft Surface Pro is one of the most popular higher-end hybrid laptops. It boasts a 9-hour battery life and weighs just less than 2 pounds. The Microsoft Surface Pro is the best of both worlds, as you get a high-quality laptop in the form of a tablet, but can quickly attach the keyboard to make it a complete laptop. Its versatility, portability, and advanced Microsoft technology make it the top hybrid laptop for traveling. Surface Pro delivers even more speed and performance, thanks to a powerful Intel Core processor, with up to 50% more battery life than Surface Pro 4 laptop. Number 4. HP Spectre X360. The HP Spectre X360 is one of the best Windows 10 convertibles currently available. It has a 133 screen and weighs less than 3 pounds, but is also one of the bendable hybrids, with the keyboard just folding behind. Ultrabooks are high-end, top-of-the-line laptops, which is shown in the price, but also in the capabilities of the laptop. With an Ultrabook, you can do all of the things that are not possible on hybrid laptops, and nearly anything else you can imagine. The term Ultrabook gets thrown around by many companies these days. Be sure to check before you buy that you're getting a true Ultrabook, and not just a fancy mid-range laptop. Ultrabooks are marketed as being light and thin, while maintaining the same screen size as other laptops and long battery life. Number 5. Dell XPS 13. Dell XPS 13 is the Ultrabook for Windows lovers. It's a bit over a pound heavier than the MacBook Pro, but otherwise has similar specs, including screen size and battery life. If the MacBook Pro isn't your thing because you prefer Windows but you still need a high-functioning laptop on your trip, the Dell XPS is the best option. Whether you need a laptop that can be used as a mobile office or just a simple device for staying connected, there are plenty of options available. To find the best travel laptop for you, remember to consider your travel style and what you will need the laptop for prior to shopping. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.